Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore the latest version of Xentry Diagnosis, the June 2026 update. This is Mercedes-Benz's dedicated diagnostic software, used by professional technicians worldwide. Let's dive in and explore the key features and real-world operation of this software. To launch Xentry, we double-click the icon on the desktop and wait for the software to start up. Log in to the software. After logging in, Xentry displays the brand selection screen. We can see 4 brands: Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, Smart, and BAIC motor. The 6/2026 version supports all vehicle lines from sedans, SUVs, vans to commercial trucks, including the latest Sprinter 3. In today's demo, we select the Sprinter 3, one of Mercedes-Benz's most popular commercial vehicles. Right after selecting the vehicle, Xentry begins the connection and vehicle identification process, including reading VIN, checking boundary conditions, and initializing ECUs. Xentry reads all vehicle information. Model Sprinter 3 906.633, odometer 388,069 kilometers, and battery voltage 12.3V. The overview screen shows the quick test running automatically, checking each ECU on the vehicle one by one. This is the first step to identify the overall vehicle health. After the quick test completes, we can access each specific ECU for detailed information. Here, we see ECU A1, Instrument Cluster with all function tabs. Actuations tab allows technicians to test each actuator, such as instrument pointers, display lights, and warning buzzers. With the Display Test feature, technicians can check the instrument display by running color, images, chessboard, and inverted chessboard patterns. Control Unit Log tab reads all current coding data and configuration of the module. This is an indispensable tool when replacing a new ECU. The Special Procedures tab contains special routines. For example, the Changing of Time function allows syncing system time into the Instrument Cluster ECU. Here, the current time on the ECU is 23 hours 8 minutes and 31 seconds, while system time is 14 hours 22 minutes and 45 seconds. Just press the Save button and the time is written to the ECU immediately. Xentry Diagnosis 6/2026 delivers a stable interface with full support for Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, Smart, and BAIC, from fault diagnosis to ECU programming. If you want to download and install Xentry 6/2026, leave a comment below or contact me via the info in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.